So how to enable Instagram vanish mode for a certain person. You wanted to delete or you want to vanish. That means don't want to say that the read messages that person you send the person the messages and you don't want to say you want it to vanish immediately. Once you close the chat, let me show you what it looks like. Now you need to go to your Instagram. Once you go to your Instagram, click on those your messages and go and choose the person you want to set the mode for. Now, for example, I'm going to use this person now. You can see this is our chat. You can also this chat now. So all this chat is going to vanish now. Now let me show you. What you need to do is click on this person now. Now the next thing is click on the privacy and settings. Now you can see vanish mode. Just turn it on. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like. Now I'm going to close the chat now and show you what it looks like. I've shown you our chat before. Now you can see this is our chat. Now I'm going to close this now. Now let me go and click on the person back. You can see it did not see anything here. So that's what the vanish mode is all about. You can see it's not here. So until I turn it off again, if I message again, I'm going to message again. Let me message. You can see it's here. Now let me close the chat again. Now let me go to open it again. You can see it's okay. Let me show you. Let's wait a little. I'm going to show you now. Now let's say it's counting. It's counting. So now don't worry, this person has not read this message. Once the person has read this message, is going to work on it instantly. So guys, if this video really helps you, please subscribe and like and drop a comment there. Thank you guys.